Hello guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good and very creative in your life, and I hope all you are healthy and become wiser and clever each and every day, which I expect from every one of my student. Who I know my audience gonna 15 or 20 student. You are 25. Look, learning knowledge. I mean, it doesn't matter. You are up to 100. You are. Look, age is just a number. I'm telling you, age is just a number. So never ever care about that how old you are, because it's all just bullshit thing. I mean, if you are always a student, always you are always a student. Take my word and take a right book and write it. You are always a student. You're gonna be always a student. This is the fact. And once your student die, then of course your life process gonna be stopped. I mean, it's very sad. It's very sad. So everyone has to always aware about their skill, their intelligence, their sharpness, body language. I mean, it's a most precious and important thing in your life. So because this is the thing that you can understand the world. This is the thing that you just grow day by day, and this is the thing that you have to this you improved in your life. Okay, this is how you're gonna improve. Otherwise, it's all about the garbage which society thrown in your mind. This is the garbage that you have to study, you have to job, you have to marriage, you have to born a child. You, I mean, live a life like your older and elder brother. Look what their cousin you're doing. It's all just a garbage. Society always want to always thrown you a garbage. But just use your mind. Always use your mind and just think very logically. Look, it's I mean, it's so important if you think logically, because once you think logically, then of course your life gonna be magical. I'm telling you, just always think very factfully, very logically. So this is how you're gonna grow up. Just take a relax, just take a cool, make laugh, make people us laugh. Just enjoy whole day. I just want that each one of you make everyone every day, each and every second, you just enjoy your life. This is I really want in your life. So but if you just off this mind, and if you won't use them is your mind, then how you gonna grow, and how you gonna improve, and how you gonna grow day by day. Otherwise, all the look, don't live like a ship. I'm telling you, just write in your book, don't live like a ship. Ship always live in a gathering, and I mean, it's really sad. If you are a human being, if you are a man enough, if you are just a man enough, then you have a mind, then of course always live very innovative and very creative. Creativity is, I think, this is the most important thing in 2026. So adopt the creativity. Okay. So yes, we are making sentence. If you have just seen my last dozen of videos which I made for my audience, then you can easily see that I talked about tense, verb, movie review, and all the other things that you can grow your ability and improve your English speaking. Look, until you won't practice, it won't happen, and no magic happen until you won't practice. You have to practice each and every day. You have to practice till your last breath of your life. Look, this is the life. Okay, this is the life, and this is the remote where you can control the life. Okay, so until your last breath, you have to practice each and every day. This is you can enjoy each and every moment. This is you can build your own world. This is you can dream. build your imagination power, build your no pain, no gain. It is the most necessary and most important thing in your life. No pain, no gain. You will get knowledge, you will get name, fame, money, anything. If you just able to do, if you are just free to do anything. Okay, this is okay. We will going to discuss this later. First, there are some word and there's some meaning, and now we are making a sentence. Look, just practice each day, just 15 or 20 minutes. Okay, it won't it won't take too much time. Okay, so storytelling. Right now, we can see that storytelling is the most important part in our life. Look, people who want to become a storyteller, first they have to learn that how a storyteller create suspense, create fear, create environment, create all the story that that can your emotion ups and down. Okay, so this is how you can become a storyteller. Just make it like a simple way. Thirsty karo, a cow. Take any story in a very, in a very simple way. Okay, so this is how you gonna grow. So become a storyteller. Suit. It's like discuss. It's like debate. Debate is, I think, use always a simple word. Why you have to choose suit and what kind of thing? Okay, just use just debate. Okay, statue. Look at the statue. Look at what kind of statue is this. Look at the statue. If you have to make a proper statue. Okay, so straight. Always, whenever you walk always straight. Whenever you whenever whenever anything, just follow the pattern and just walk straight. Okay, stationary. I think you should some things, you have to carry some things like rubber, sharpener, all the gadgets which you need in examination hall. So you have to go as some kind of stationery shop. Okay, site. This is I really want to discuss, because I'm telling you that look, I worked 1.5 years in a construction site, and I got a little bit experience. I really want to talk to you, because I know you don't want to understand. So why we gonna discuss about it? Okay, sheer. Sheer. It's like you can say complete. I think this is the correct word. Okay, complete. Look, always use simple word. Why you have to? English is like Hindi. In Hindi, one words there are many types of words. Okay, like VKVR says saying Paryavachi Shabd. This is what we call Paryavachi Shabd. It's like English. English and Hindi both are similar language. Once you get subconscious attached to this language, then you're gonna fluent in your skill. Okay, so complete. So complete. This is the simple word you can use. Okay, toy. Look, there are some legendary bowler which I consider myself: Shoaib Akhtar, Waqar Yunis, Wasim Akram, Brett Lee. These are my favorite. These are my legend. Johnson, Stark, Shane Bond, and there are Dennis Lilly, Jeff Thompson, Vivian Richards. He was a bad batsman. But these are the 8 or 9 bowlers which are favorite of mine, and I believe myself that one day I will become like this. I truly believe that one day I will become like this, exactly become like this. This is my dream. This is really my dream. Temper. Temper. So you always have to control your temper. If you won't control your temper, then how you gonna grow? How you gonna mm, how you gonna build your life? How you gonna, you always just pick up very wisely and very carefully, and just always use your temper in a very correct way. Okay, so this is how you're gonna improve in your life. Okay, always use your temper just like a weapon. Okay, if you just look, I always use your temper just like weapon. This is the correct thing I really want to say you. Okay, Uh, because unnecessary temper will harm you. I'm telling you, that's why I'm telling you, always be cool, be humble and be cool. Don't like you are flying in a air. Always just look, everything in this world is temporary. I'm telling you, everything in this world you have to in temporary. Once you have, once you are not. So always be humble and uh, just just take, because life is very short. So why you have to temper, why you have to shout each other self, why you have to fight your other self? It's really, it's not a good thing. Okay, it's really not a good thing. So always be cool. Okay, temporary, yes, that's exactly what I am trying to say. Just all things are temporary. So always just take everything in a light way, everything in a light way. Don't take anything serious, even yourself. I don't take myself serious. Look, I'm a very super cool guy. I love songs, movie, I love dance, I love traveling, I play cricket. I and all the experience I really want to gain. This is how I am, and this is the definition of mine. So why I will take anything seriously? Tropical and topical. When when I think this is, we can relate. The doctor used this word whenever someone has some fever. So doctor and homeopathic check their vein. This is we call vein. Okay, this is the specialist always gonna check your this vein. Okay, so I'm sure you are liking my content, and I'm sure you are learning and improving yourself each and every day. Look, why I'm making this content creator, just for my audience. I really want that my audience is gonna speak a proper English speaker. So, and just if you just like my channel, please follow, please like, share and subscribe my channel, so I can monetize my channel. So, and it will motivate me. And also do your opinion in your comment box. Do your opinion in your comment box, so I can improve myself also, because that what my audience want to need, what the people want to see me. Okay, this is how we gonna build up. Look, a mool mantra I really want to give in your life: always be cooperative. I think you have to cooperate each other. Without cooperate, you won't able to make even a sharpener, even a rubber. You can't make a proper rubber without cooperate. So always cooperate other self. This is how you gonna build a good society, good country, build good. This is how you gonna build a good nation. Okay. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय हिंद, जय भारत, नमस्ते, सलाम वालेकुम, अदावर्स, सत श्री अकाल, केम छो, मजामा. थैंक यू.